Thursday morning, February 5, 2026. I found a little free time and headed to the cliffs of Episkopi in Limassol, hoping to photograph vultures. I spent some time there, but no vultures appeared. The only moment I managed to capture was a distant long-legged buzzard, slowly hunting far away from where I stood. After that, I made my way toward Kestrel beach. There, I spotted a female common kestrel gliding through the air, searching for prey. Then, it landed on a wooden post, and suddenly made a swift move, diving straight toward the ground. It flew back to the post, holding a mouse in its beak. It seemed a bit uneasy, so it grabbed the mouse with its talons and looked around cautiously. And then, suddenly, the common kestrel flew away, still holding the mouse, and landed on the ground amidst the vegetation to eat its prey undisturbed. Just like that, I got into my car with my camera and started driving away. As I was driving, just a few meters ahead, I spotted a Western Marsh Harrier patrolling the area. And a little further, close to the first one, I noticed another harrier. It seemed that their presence was what had unsettled the common kestrel. And so, that wraps up my little outing in search of birds of prey. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next adventure photographing raptors in Cyprus. Thank you for taking the time to watch my video. With appreciation, World by Savas.